Select a workspace. When making your own medical marijuana oil, you need to work in a safe, open environment. Retrieve the materials. To produce cannabis oil, you need medical marijuana and a solvent. Gather your tools. Over the course of this process, you will need a variety of tools. Consider wearing protective gear. The process of making your own medical marijuana oil can be dangerous. Soak the medical cannabis buds in the solvent. Pour the medical marijuana buds into a medium-sized glass or ceramic mixing bowl. Pour the high-proof alcohol over the medical marijuana. Continue to pour the solvent until it rests 1 inch above the surface of the medical cannabis. Stir the mixture. Retrieve your wooden spoon. Mix and mash the solvent and medical cannabis together for 2 to 3 minutes. The constant stirring motion will aid the solvent in absorbing the THC from the medical marijuana. Strain the solvent medical cannabis mixture into another container. Retrieve your straining device and second container. Place your straining device within your second container. Carefully pour the mixture through the strainer and let the dark green liquid fill the container. Soak, mix, and strain the mixture a second time. The first wash will remove approximately 70% to 80% of the resin from the medical cannabis. This second wash will remove the rest of the THC. Boil off the solvent in a double boiler. When it is time to boil off the alcohol, you have one of two options. The first is to use a double boiler and arrange. This is a very safe method. Boil off the solvent in a rice cooker. If you do not have access to a stovetop, you may substitute a rice cooker for a double boiler. Fill syringes with the medical marijuana oil. For ease of use, store the medical marijuana oil in a plastic syringe. Slowly draw the medical cannabis oil into the plastic syringe by pulling on the plunger. If you have more oil than syringes, you may store any excess oil in a glass airtight container. Keep your syringes and containers in a cool, dark cabinet.